Alright, so my buddy Sean's coming over, McDonald. He used to work for Cycle World, now he doesn't, I don't. But we're going to try to do something a little different. He's coming over with a little BMW 310. And we're going to try some, like, find some gravel roads around me. See how it goes. How rad is this thing, dude? It's so dope.
Dude, where the fuck are we?
What is your hair doing?
Oh yeah. It is.
It's cold, yeah.
It started to rain. I was like, I'm turning around. I'm going home. I was like shaking. Oh my god. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so dope.
Yeah,
it's like,
it's all that YouTube money.
And then there was some dude listening to Indian music.
You happy about that? Dude, it looks so much better now.
It does look better. This thing is so fucking beat up.
So that was almost bad. Whew, I usually don't dial in that much throttle, you know, but showing off.
Whatever, you know, just a nice little flyby shot. Someone to spruce up the GoPros. And someone's got to go looking cool for the internet. Trying to send it. You look great.
It's that REV'IT jacket. I think the backpack took the hit, right?
The backpack your side.
And my ass. That'll buff out. So I've gotten a new helmet, but now it doesn't match the color of my bike, so we're gonna paint it, I guess. Ooh. What are you doing? So we're gonna paint my bike to match my helmet. The first thing you want to do is make sure your bike's clean. So yeah, so you really shouldn't paint if it's wet and there's a lot of moisture out, but so the bike's coming apart pretty well right now. We're gonna start putting some paint on it and see what we can make this thing look like. Here's another little tip: if you want to paint your rim and the tires are already on it, just take a bunch of the paint samples from so this is one of the brand new factory rims I got. I don't like the red color on the rim, so I'm gonna change it. Oh, this isn't even the right color. What the? This is my windshield I was about to paint, but it's got a couple. It's a little cracked. So I'm gonna crazy glue it before we paint it. That's fucking rad, dude. Alright, so I need to put like 4 coats of paint on this tank because I'm doing like 2 tones. And once we get done that, we'll keep it moving. Okay, so here's the situation. I tried to take some of the brake caliper bolts out and I may have over torqued them. Why do I have to over torque everything? All right, so I got the brake rotors off of this rim. Now I gotta get the tire off of this rim, and everybody thinks they're a rally racer until it's time to spoon some tires. Well, let me tell you. No lube. You can do it on the trail. Little pamplemousse, pample. It's grapefruit. Ow. That hurts. Not a single nick. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's just dirt. It's 1:44 in the morning, and I think I'm gonna go to bed. And I'm gonna put this bike together tomorrow. All right, so I slept a couple hours last night. I guess we gotta try to wrap this project up. I'm gonna probably not film as much so I can just get more work done. I'll show you the finished project. Here we go. Okay, so I got most of the parts back on the bike. I actually just got done rescuing a baby deer. That was kind of weird. Don't worry about it. So there it is. It's how to paint your bike in 36 hours.
Watching haters wonder why Gambino got the game. Half-tie thicky, all she wanna do is bang. Got her hair done, French braids, now she ASAP. Bino so insensitive, she asking why you say that. I'm chilling.
I'm tired.
I love that you built an enduro course on your own. This is such a New Jersey thing to do.
Right this way. Maybe if you didn't have such tiny feet, you'd have an easier time walking.
What's your theory about hipsters?
They all got tiny feet, man. Look at those things. How do you squeeze them in there so tight? There's no way your foot's that small.
How big are your feet? It's a size 10.
These are 12s, dude. Don't even lie. Those are 8s.
Where did I meet you for the first time? I'm trying to think about that. I don't even know where we met.
We were at that Ducati 950 launch thing.
No.
Or no, the 1200 multi regular.
Oh, that's right.
Clearly we go through
That's
here.
right. You show up, fucking construction worker.
Well, I am a construction worker, but that's not real.
You're a construction worker. You weren't a motorcycle journalist.
No.
You somehow conned your way onto this trip.
Also not true. I got elected to go on the trip.
You got this silly accent.
That's also true.
The first thing is you look at Nathan like we're aliens.
Yeah, because you guys are all tiny feet in California. I don't know what that looks like. This is the first time I ever met anybody from the West Coast.
And the thing you're fascinated by most is that we have small feet.
Spot on.